So let's take a look at how you can create a server with Oak framework and Deno. Okay, so if you haven't installed Deno, then go to official deno.land page and make sure to install Deno. Okay, now there is also Oak server on GitHub that you can check out. Okay, read more about this framework. So what we are going to do is we are going to basically use this framework to create an hello world example. Now you don't have to install anything, so simply create one index.js page, and here let's say import application from, and within single quote we are going to call for this Oak framework. So this line here, deno.land x, then Oak, then version and mod ts, we are going to copy this line. Okay, then we are going to paste it here, right? And then we will first create our constant port, and let's say I give it a value of 3000. Also I will create one more variable, let's name it app, and then call for new application. Right now here we will use app.use, and within that we will set our response when it reaches port 3000. So ctx dot response dot body, we set that to, let's say something like right. Okay, then we use semicolon to end that statement. Then we will call for app dot add event listener, right? And here we will basically ask it to listen to a particular port. So let's see if we can output console.log and simply output the port by telling it to listening to, and then we will basically use $prompt port, right? Now we will use await app.listen, and then we will pass on port. Make sure to end this with semicolon as well, right? Now let's open command prompt, and here we will type in deno run. Then what we need is use allow allow -net and then index.js. If you can see this, that means you have managed to run Oak framework with Deno.